Hello friends, welcome back to Jersey Gardening. Today we will see the tips for taking care of Thanksgiving cactus or Schlumbergera truncata. They are called Thanksgiving cactus because they bloom around Thanksgiving time in November. Though they are called cacti, they are not true cacti. They are epiphytic cacti, which means in their natural habitat they live attached to other trees or barks. So they enjoy the shade of other plants. So they don't like to be in direct sunlight. It needs more watering during summertime than in winter or early spring. If you are planning to repot this, you can repot late spring or early summer. They like to be root bound, so you don't need a much bigger pot. You may need a one size bigger pot when you repot them. Another thing that you can do in summer is you can propagate them. These Thanksgiving cactus can be propagated by taking the cuttings. So when you take the cuttings, make sure that you have at least 3 or 4 segments. And we can root them in water or in soil. Let us take 3-4 cuttings from this and we will put some in water and some in soil. I'm going to snip off few segments. See, I took 6 cuttings off. So I'm going to put 3 in this water. And I'm going to put 3 in this soil. This is cactus mix. You can put about 1 inch deep into the soil. It's been 2 weeks that we have kept these cuttings in soil and in water. Let's see if they have rooted. See, as you can see, the one we kept in water has rooted nicely. And let's check the one in the soil. This one also have rooted. So we can just transplant them in these containers. And I fill these containers with the cactus mix. We can put at least 4 cuttings in each planter. So when it grows, the plant will be really bushy. Now we will see what we can do to make it bloom for Thanksgiving. It needs 3 conditions to make it bloom. Number 1, lower temperatures. Number 2, longer periods of darkness. And number 3, less watering. The temperature should be between 60 to 65 degree Fahrenheit for this to bloom. And it needs 12 to 14 hours of darkness. Beginning the first week of October, you can water them less often. You can stick your finger in the soil and check for moisture. When the soil is completely dry, you can water them. About 6 to 8 weeks of lower temperature and longer periods of darkness will force this Thanksgiving cactus to bloom. If you are keeping them outdoors during summer, make sure that they are under shade. They don't like direct sunlight. First week of October, we can bring them indoors and keep them in a cool and dark spot in your house. Some people even cover this with a cardboard box for 12 to 14 hours for darkness. When it starts blooming, you will see flower buds forming at the tip of each leaf. Once you start seeing the flower buds, you can move them to a well lit area and you can enjoy the flowers. Hope you also will try to get a Thanksgiving cactus and make it bloom for Thanksgiving. Happy gardening. Thank you.